Nasaan?
Yan?
Ayun yung island. Yeah, that's the island. Yan.
Ma'am, ano ba itong
Ma'am, sir. Ganyan lang yan pala.
Ito. Kargador ba tayo?
Oo, parang tayo sa Tofino ah. Hulog mo yung board mo dun. Catch mo dyan. Sige, catch mo dyan. Walang hawakan sa side.
Yun.
Ito? Ito. Oh, yung lakas ni Elaine ba? Ka-sponsor nga sa Bright Blue. Oh, tara na!
Pag umuulan, don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. Okay.
Nasaan?
I was counting my blessings. I felt beaten down. I was looking for a calling, felt lonely in a crowd. I was searching for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was always by my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss in the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. I saw a ray of hope, and he led me out the dark. God's forever faithful, he'll always lift you up. I was looking for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was with me all this time. No, he never left my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss and the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. The greatest love there is. Greatest love. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. He shed
Nakahulog yung anong ma-under na.
Dikit ka, umandar ka. Umandar ka kahit andar. Lapit ka kasi.
Kasi yung dalawang yung paddle mo kasi.
Ikaw yung ilahin ko.
Isabit mo kasi yung paddle mo dun sa.
Kaya nga. Punta ka dito.
Oh, ano ba yan?
Kunin nga to kasi di ba kakain ka. O, yan na po, madam.
Thank you.
Para siyang ano, I feel like I'm in Vancouver Island, like Tofino. And we've only been to like just this one island all the way around. There's a few more. I don't know how many more.
Dalawa.
Diba?
Two pa yata. I don't know. Isa yung
Yeah.
nakita ko. There's one more.
Look at the water.
Madilim.
It's madilim pero maganda pa din.
Kagaya natin.
Kasi feeling ko, it's a perfect getaway from the busy Kelowna.
Wow. Alam ba nila nandito ka?
Ha?
Sikat natin yan. Huwag
Oo.
niyo sasabihin.
Wala yung mga magulang ko dito. Hindi nila alam.
Ganyan naman parati, di ba?
Oh, it's so wavy. Let's go back.
Ayan. Ayan na.
Rana, oh!
Diyan pa uwi tayo.
Yeah, my legs are freezing. Let's go. See you later, guys.
Ayun na yun. Bye.
His light and